Hello, it's Carl at WickAds here. I'm going to go over making a simple product on your Woocommerce site. So, in the back end of your site, hover over Products and click Add New. So here's where we're going to put in all our product information. So the product name, so rectangle throw pillow. That's the name, and then I'm going to put in the description, and I already have one written over here, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Alright, so now I'm going to scroll down to the product data, and I'm going to leave it as a simple product, and because it's a physical, tangible object, being a pillow, I'm not going to check virtual or downloadable. So I'm going to set my price, so $25.99, and I'm going to leave the tax status as taxable. Now, if your product does not have tax, or if you only want a tax on the shipping, you can set that right here. So down to the inventory, I'm going to set my SKU. So that's my SKU for the product. And because I want to manage my stock, my inventory on the site, I'm going to click Manage Stock. And I have 45 of these pillows in my inventory. I am not going to allow back orders, and I do want to get a notification once I only have 5 pillows left, so I know to order more. And the notification will come to me by email. Alright, now if you don't want to manage your inventory on the store, that's totally fine. Just set the stock status as in stock, or out of stock, or on back order. Whatever it is you want to set it as. But for me, I want to manage my inventory on my store. Alright, so down to the shipping details. So we have our dimensions and weight. So 0.6 pounds. And this pillow is, let's see, 20 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 3 inches high. And because I just want to use my default shipping option, I am not going to touch the shipping class. Now, for the linked products, you have your upsells and your cross-sells. Now, the upsells, for example, if you have a more expensive pillow or a newer pillow, or you want to liquidate a product and just get rid of it, you could put that in the upsells, and hopefully your customer would decide to buy one of those products rather than the one they're looking at here. Now, the cross-sells are the products that you would want your customers to buy along with this product. So, for example, a pillowcase, or, I'm not sure, a blanket with the same pattern. So if you have that product already made, you can just select them here. Now, as for attributes, these are just the specifications of the products. So I'm just going to leave it as custom product attribute and click Add. Name here, I'm going to put material and materials, and I'm not sure what this pillow is actually made of, but I'm going to say cotton, and now it's probably made out of another material too, so I'm going to say polyester. Sounds about right. So you separate the different values with this piping here. Alright. So, now we go down, so the product short description. Now that's basically 1 or 2 sentences, just a quick overview of what the product is. So, I'm just going to take 1 sentence from my long description and put it down here. Now moving on to the categories. So we have our product categories here. So going to set appropriately inside of pillows and new arrivals. And you can set the product as many categories as you'd like. Now moving down, the product tags. These are the words that people search that you want the product to come up for. So, for example, here I'm going to put decorative, living room, bedroom, not Sure, comfortable. And I'm just going to click add, and as you see, these tags are now associated with the product. And the next step is to add the product images. So in product image, this is your main image for the product. So I don't have the image in my media library yet, so I'm going to go upload files and select files. And this is the main picture that I want for this product. Alright, now that's uploaded, I'm going to click set product image. And now I have two more pictures of this product, so I'm going to upload those as well here. So select this and this, click open, and wait for them to upload. And click add to gallery. So at this point, we've finished setting up the product after overlooking all the information to make sure it's accurate and we didn't make any mistakes. I'm going to click publish. Once you click publish, it is live on your site. Alright. So now we're going to go take a look at the product by clicking view product in the top bar here. Alright, so there we go. We have our product here. As you can see, all the information that we put is here. So now, if you want to go and edit the product, you can either just go to the product in your shop and click Edit Product, or you can go back to your dashboard, hover over Products, click All Products, and then you'll have the list of all of the products in your store. And then you can hover over them and click Edit or Quick Edit. Now, Quick Edit, as you can see, you can't edit everything about your product, such as the pictures, but you can manage a lot of the basic information. Now, if you want to delete a product, you can just click Trash, and obviously, if you want to view the product, you click View. Now, that's basically it for creating and managing a simple product.